Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today we're back with another unboxing. I got this from the anniversary sale of Nordstrom and I think it's still going on right now. I actually got this a few weeks ago. Just a moment, I'll look at the date. It's in my phone when I ordered it. So a brief background about this is, okay, where do I see the date? Okay, that was August 17. I ordered it on August 17th. Today is August 30 that I'm doing this video, and it got here last week. I just got so busy that I haven't had time to open it, but this is something that I've been wanting to get because, you know, when I was in the Philippines, taking care of my skin wasn't much of a problem because my sister is a dermatologist, and so I have access to professional skincare, you know. So by the way, if you are in the Philippines, especially in Pampanga, do come check out her clinic. I will link that down below. This is not paid by my sister, but of course she's my sister, so I am promoting her clinic, and I'm telling you, she's an awesome dermatologist. And I'm not saying that just because she is my sister, but you know, everybody knows how great she is with her work. Okay, so yeah, I did not actually ask her opinion about this thing before buying it. I just knew that I needed to get something for myself because initially I was planning to go back to the Philippines, as I have mentioned in my previous videos, but because of COVID we just can't. I've tried getting, you know, skincare done here, facial and stuff, but one, it's expensive. Second, I haven't really found the right clinic to do it. So because of the influence of my friend Nina, who's also here in the US and was also kind of vain when we were in the Philippines, we have been looking for, you know, microdermabrasion stuff. So we finally decided to get one, and because it's a Nordstrom anniversary sale, we thought like, hey, that seems like a good deal. Okay, so the original price of this thing that I got right here is $219, but because of the anniversary sale, I got it on a really good deal. That's $109.97, but plus tax, I think it came out to around a little less than $120. So let's see. Okay, so for today it's gonna be an unboxing, and then later on I'll film within this video how I use it. So okay, let's try to open this. The delivery was almost a week, which is, you know, acceptable because of all this COVID thing. My friend in California, Nina, got hers first, like I think a day or two before I got mine, and it came in a box. It's okay, it's just that I didn't like that. Look at the box, it's crumpled. I don't know if it's the handling, or you know, they tried to fit it in our Amazon hub here in the apartment where people drop, you know, packages, and that's where we get it. We just have to scan a code and it will show it to us. Once it's delivered, they put it there. We'll receive a message via our phone that you have a delivery, pick it up and stuff like that. So I don't know whose fault is it, if it's Nordstrom or FedEx or just the person who tried to put it in the Amazon hub box. So yeah, let's open this. There's it. Yep. Oh, okay, so this sale is until today, August 30th. Sorry, it's gonna be a late post, but oh well. Okay. It is packed like that. Okay. Let me take out the stuff. Okay, I have here the receipt. The receipt, what else is in here? Yeah, basically the receipt, and if I want to return it, just the directions, as I have always mentioned. Like if you want to return something here, it's really easy. Okay, so with this stuff that I ordered, I have 40 45 days to return it. So I don't think I'll be returning. I don't really like returning stuff when I bought something. Like, I don't know. I think it's only been like once or twice before that I returned anything, but usually I don't. So, okay, that's the paper wraps. Oh, look. Okay, so you ready, guys? What did I get? I got this. Okay, it's a PMD Microderm set. Okay, so let me read what's in front. It's a personal Microderm complete system. Reveal fresh, radiant skin at home treatment with clinical quality results. Included inside this set, I'll read that later as I open it. Okay, I'm just trying to read what's in the box. Work to uncover your most vibrant, radiant skin on your face, decollete, elbows, hands, feet, or anywhere you have an even tone or texture in just a few minutes a week. Okay, put on a fresh face. Personal Microderm combines patented spinning disc technology with perfectly calibrated vacuum suction to brighten, smooth, and even skin tone and texture. Personal Microderm reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, blemishes, and enlarged pores, with multiple exfoliating aluminum oxide discs to choose from. You can customize your treatment with ease. Daily cell regeneration system is specially formulated to work in harmony with the Personal Microderm. Helps boost skin recovery and enhance the effectiveness of cell rejuvenation. So the steps that are included in this box will be: first, to cleanse. Soothing antioxidant cleanser breaks down dirt and oils from within the pores and deeply removes the skin impurities without stripping away skin's protective lipid barrier. Soothe. It has a calming balancing toner that would help to minimize the appearance of pore size, redness, and dark spots, aids in balancing pH levels, and reinforces skin's natural barrier, which improves moisture retention. Regenerate, so that is the anti-aging moisturizer that would be included in this one, immediately locks in moisture boosting vital hydration to help facilitate skin's healing and recovery process, boosts collagen production to increase elasticity and firmness, which helps to decrease the look of wrinkles and helps to reduce the appearance of dark spots. Okay, so there's that. And we'll see what is included inside. Okay, according to the box outside, there should be one Personal Microderm, a power adapter, one Smooth Glide body cap, and one Smooth Glide facial cap, one ultra sensitive training disc, two very coarse, two sensitive, two moderate, the skincare stuff that I mentioned earlier, the cleanser, the toner, and the moisturizer, a reusable filter, and there will be a DVD and a manual on how to use it. Okay, so I'm gonna open this one now. Okay, I'll try to come nearer so you guys can see what's inside. Okay, so here is the CD. Maybe I will watch it, maybe not, I don't know. I usually do not really read instructions when I buy something. I just try to figure it out on my own, but oh well, maybe I will watch this one. So there's this CD warning: failure to use this product strictly in accordance with the written instruction and the instructional video, including removal of the plastic safety guard during any use of the product, could result in injury to your skin, including scabbing. Oh. Okay, do not use the product without first viewing the instructional video and following the instructions and adhering to the safety warning explicitly. Do not operate this product without the safety cap in place at all times. Okay, I changed my mind. I will watch this before using it. And, well, I will also film how I use it later. Okay, so we have this how-to guide to how to use it. Okay. Done. Okay, so here is what it would look like inside. Okay, So I got this set that would include the cleanser. It might be a little too bright with the light, but I have a cleanser here, and then I have a toner, and then here is the anti-aging moisturizer. Okay, we have this different disc. Okay, they're called disc. So the white one will be considered the ultra sensitive one. I actually don't see a white. Okay, the white is in here already. Okay, the white one, and then here is it, and then here is this cap. Okay, the other colors we have here, the oh my, am I color blind? Okay, there is no gray here. We have the red. The red is a very coarse disc. The blue is a sensitive disc. The green is moderate, and I think I don't have a black. So to get it started, it is a serious skincare tool, and there is a learning curve. You have to start with the white disc that is already in place here. It's pretty heavy. And it's again written, you have to watch the training video and read instructions before using. Okay, I will do that before using. So it says that even through the white disc is our least intense disc, it is still exfoliating. Move the PMD quickly across the skin. Going too slow, pausing or hovering can lead to superficial red mask and light scabbing. Multiple passes on the same area can also lead to superficial red marks and light scabbing. The effects of the PMD may not always be immediately visible. Do not pass over the same area more than once. What to expect? After the first use, your skin will feel softer, smoother, appear brighter, and your skincare product will penetrate deeper. After a series of 8 to 12 treatments, the PMD will begin to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, blemishes, age spots, enlarge pores, and will even skin tone and texture. Long-term results require a commitment to using the PMD once a week for at least 12 weeks. Don't give up. Wait 6 to 7 days between treatment. The skin needs time to regenerate, so you can only use it once a week. And because of that, I changed my mind. This video will only be an unboxing and first impression. I will make another video of how to use it and the update maybe after a month. At least I have used it like 4 times, and I'll have more informed opinion by that. Okay, so the skin needs time to regenerate. For best results, follow each treatment with the daily cell regeneration system. Okay, so if you want to get more discs, you just get them at pmd.com. So just, yeah, these are just all the directions, and then this is how you're supposed to like use it. Okay, so this is this, and then here's the cap. I think for the other disc that you should use, this is just for the practice. And what is in here? I don't know. Oh, okay, this is the adapter that it comes with. Okay, so that is it for this unboxing. Now, first impression. Okay, I have been wanting to get one like this for a while. Well, initially I thought of just getting the PMD. It's like a facial brush, but it's like silicone with quartz in it. So just to apply a serum and cleansing. And then it was like, I feel like, is it really worth it? I don't know, people say it's worth it, but some don't say it is. And then she told me about this, and since I'm very easily persuaded by friends, it's her fault. I was like, okay, maybe we should give it a try. So that's why I was like, yeah. And it was a good deal at 50% off because of the anniversary sale. That's great, right? I mean, for $200 on its, you know, original price. I mean, not just $200. Its original price was $219 plus tax. I think that was a little too expensive, but when they did the 50% off, I was like, yeah, sure, no thinking about it, just bought it. So it looks nice. It's pretty heavy. It seems quality, like it looks like it's made with quality. I'm pretty excited to try it out because I do miss getting my facial treatments and all those laser stuff that I used to do, and I just can't do them here. Aside from I haven't found the right place, they are also way more expensive, and hopefully someday I'll find a good clinic. If you guys have any suggestion in Utah area that you think is good, please do let me know. Comment it down below, or I'll go back to the Philippines and see my dear sister and go to her clinic and get all the stuff that I used to do. So it's packaged really nice. There's instruction. I like that. It would tell you what to do. For the price, 50% off, more than $120. That's not bad. So I'll know more about it eventually. So that's it for today. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you again next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, and tell me about your skincare routine. Like, what do you do for your skincare now? Or maybe it has changed because of this whole COVID thing. Like, is there any modification that you have done? And yeah, with me, mask me. Okay, anyway, that's it for today. Thank you very much. See you again next time. Bye.